Hi, and welcome to this first episode of Wrap It Up, the series for those of you who are interested in knowing more about our apps and the next generation of brand automation. I'm Pierre Ouellet, Strategic Product Manager here at Ericsson, and today we're going to look into our apps and how they're going to set a new standard in network performance for service providers. Unfortunately, today's network performance management and automation solutions are not very well adapted to guarantee an optimal level of service. So, to cost effectively detect network issues and maintain an optimal level of service at a scale, AI powered solutions have become a must. And that's where our apps come in. But where do our apps operate? Well, just like apps are hosted on your computer or mobile phone for your work, entertainment, or communication, the Open RAN service management and orchestration platform is where our apps flourish. And our apps deployed on SMO can collect data, detect abnormal network behaviors, propose and orchestrate changes to avoid conflicts, and implement the best solution. To improve network performance, you first have to identify where the problems are. And thanks to the anomaly detectors, our apps, service providers can find them faster than ever before. The anomaly detectors, unlike traditional tools, do not rely solely on KPI thresholds in order to identify cells that have a degraded performance. The anomaly detector rApps look for patterns using deep neural networks in order to identify cells that behave differently, revealing issues before they're even noticed by the users. And they work at unparalleled speed. In one of our deployments, the rApp has reported and analyzed on more than 5 million cells in a matter of minutes. And it's that scale and speed that helps providers remain in full control of their complex networks. Together with other AI-powered rApps, such as Anomaly Root Cause Explainer and Optimizers, the Anomaly Detector rApps enable the service providers to close the loop, to automate their network optimization in a way that's unprecedented. And thanks to explainable AI, have complete trust in the solution. For CSPs moving towards rApps for their network performance means that they can provide their users with a greater experience at all times. Thank you for taking the time listening to this episode of Wrap It Up. We'll explore more in the next episode where we'll go over the rApps in network deployment. See you there.